guys, welcome back to the programming guy channel. My name is Beatrice, and today's video I'll be showing you how to play YouTube music in background. So you can do that without any sweat, without any stress. Easily you can just do that. So first thing you have to do is you have to go to your phone settings just like this and scroll all the way down to apps and click on apps. You wait for it to load up, and once it's loaded, you go down to YouTube music and click on that. So once you click on that, you click on set as default, click on that and make sure you toggle that on. So once it's toggled on, next thing you have to do is you open up your web browser and search for music.youtube, and you now have to set it to your desktop site. Let's do that, and I've done that right now. So you can now play any music of your choice, and it's going to be playing in the background. And make sure you try it out. We're going to your YouTube music and try that out. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get helpful tips like this. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.